This is a short descriptive video of a Copal flip clock, so no alarm, and it is the model 222. I guess you could actually say this is the predecessor of the AP110 110, which is much more modern in design, but you know, it's basically the same type of clock. It's one wheel to set the time. As you can see, it's working. It's very silent, so very basic, kind of organic, I'd say. It's available in several colors, and this is one of the nicer colors. The bottom, cosmetically, it's in a very nice condition. That's it. Thank you for watching.